right from the inception, from the birth of the Somali nation, Somalia has laid claim on parts of Ethiopia, eastern Ethiopia, on what is, we hope, soon to be a member of the United Nations, Djibouti, and parts of Kenya. The Somali government has made it a cardinal policy of their government to dismember Ethiopia. They have indicated this in their constitution. They have already made it plain to the world in their national emblem and in maps. We have tried our best to seek this difficulty peacefully with them. Actually, when Somalia was a trusteeship territory with the United Nations, its boundaries under Article 1 of the trusteeship or Article 2 of the trusteeship agreement, its boundaries are defined as those defined by international treaties. And these treaties are the 1897 Treaty and 1908 Treaty.